Okay, so let's have an exercise. Okay, so solve or find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. So we have the sequence 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 24, 20, and 16. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so what is the common difference of the three sequence? So ano po ang common difference ng tatlong sequence natin? So for the first sequence, we have negative 7. For the second sequence, we have negative 4. And for the third sequence, we have 2. Okay, so bakit po siya negative 7? Okay, so 49 po minus 56 is equals to negative 7. Hindi po pwedeng isubtract si 56 kay 49. Kasi mali po yung process. Sabi kanina, based sa formula natin sa pagkuha ng common difference is preceding term minus the previous term. So ang preceding term natin dito ay 49 minus 56, the answer is negative 7. Ganun din po yung process dito sa ating second na sequence. 24 minus 28, the answer is negative 4. And pare-pareho naman po yan ng common difference, which is negative 7 para sa first sequence, negative 4 para sa second sequence, and positive 2 or plus 2 para sa ating third sequence. Okay? So next, let's have arithmetic sequences and series. Okay? So let's define first the arithmetic sequence and what is the formula. Okay? Ano ba yung formula na gagamitin sa pag-solve ng arithmetic sequence? Okay? So a sequence with common difference is an arithmetic sequence. Okay? The n term of a sequence is a sub n equals to the first term plus quantity n minus 1 times d, where a sub 1 is the first term and n is the number of terms and d is the common difference. Okay? So, yung a sub n po natin is kung ano po yung term na hinahanap. Okay? And then yung a sub 1 po natin, siya po yung first term. Yung n po natin, kung ano po yung term na hinahanap, yun din po yung magiging value ni n. The next, yung common difference natin sa ating sequence. Okay? For example, example number 1 is find the 12th term of the arithmetic sequence 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay? So, to find now for the 12th term, we need to identify first, or we need to solve first for the common difference. So we have the formula, the preceding term minus the previous term. Okay? So 5 minus 3, 5 is the preceding term, 3 is the previous term. So 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. Next, 7 is the preceding term, minus 5 is the previous term. So 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. 9 is the preceding term, minus 7 is the previous term. So 9 minus 7, the answer is 2. Okay. Therefore, the common difference is 2. Next, identify the n term and the first term. So our n term is 12 and the first term is 3. Okay. So substitute now the given value in our formula, which is a sub n equals to the first term plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay, so let's substitute. So we have a sub n equals to the first term plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay? So, given na po yung values natin. Given na po yung value natin na n term, first term, at common difference. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin ni term, kung ano po yung term na hinahanap mo, yun po yung n natin dito. Kaya po, a sub 12 yan kasi 12 term po yung hinahanap. Next, yung a sub 1 po natin is given. Siya po yung yung 3 natin. Yung first term natin is equals to 3. Next, kung ano po yung term na hinahanap, pareho po dapat yung ilalagay dito sa value ni n. Okay? So, ang term na hinahanap ay 12, so dapat ang value ni n ay 12 din. Minus 1 times d. Yung value po ni d ay 2. Okay? Next, a sub 12 equals to 3 plus, simplify natin yon by subtracting 12 to 1. So, 12 minus 1, the answer is 11 times 2. Next, a sub 12 equals to 3 plus 11 times 2, the answer is 22. Next, a sub 12 equals to 3 plus 22, the answer is 25. Hence, the value of the 12th term is 25. Okay? So, next po tayo, we have example number 2. Find the 17th term of the arithmetic sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16. So, una pong gagawin, kailangan nating hanapin yung common difference nila. Okay? So, to find out for the common difference, isusubtract natin si preceding term kay previous term. Okay? So, we have 7 is the preceding term, minus 4 is the previous term. So, 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. 10 is the preceding term, 7 is the previous term. So, 10 minus 7, the answer is 3. 13 is the preceding term, 10 is the previous term. So, 13 minus 10, the answer is 3. So, therefore, kapag itutuloy mo pa to, itong 16 minus 13, ang sagot po niyan is 3. So, meron tayong common difference na 3. Next, ang end term po natin is 17 kasi hinahanap po natin yung 17. Okay, 17 term. Next, ang a sub 1 po natin or yung first term is given po sa ating sequence na first term which is 4. Okay? Next, substitute now the given values in our formula. A sub n equals to the first term plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay? So we have a sub 1 equals to first term plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay, so ang value po ng a sub n natin ay 17. Paano siya naging 17? Kasi ang hinahanap po nating term or ang hinahanap po na value ng n term natin ay 17. Kaya a sub 17 po ito. Okay? Next, equals to 4. Ano po yung value ng a sub 1 natin? Siya po ay 4. Given po sa ating sequence. Plus, paano naging 17 yung n? Naging 17 yung n kasi hinahanap natin is 17 term. Okay? So, kung ano po yung hinahanap mong term, dapat pareho po dapat nito. Dapat pareho po sila. Okay? Hindi po dapat yan magiging 12 or magiging 4 or magiging 3. Okay? So, ulitin ko. Kung ano po yung term na hinahanap, yun po dapat yung value ni n. Okay? So, 17 minus 1 times d or yung value ni d ay 3. Okay? Next, a sub 17 equals to 4 plus 17 minus 1, the answer is 16. Okay? Times 3. Next, a sub 17 equals to 4 plus 16 times 3, the answer is 48. Next, a sub 17 equals to 4 plus 48, the answer is 52. Hence, the 17th term is 52.